In this video, we will go over the GPA Calculator. This tool allows you to estimate what your overall GPA would be based on criteria you specify. To access the GPA Calculator, click on the three dots on the top right near the email icon. Then click on the GPA Calculator. There are three types of calculators: graduation, term, and advice. Use the graduation calculator to estimate the GPA you will need to maintain given your remaining credits in order to graduate with your desired final GPA. You will need to know how many remaining credits you have before beginning this process, so take note of your worksheet before you do this. Let's go over the different fields on the GPA calculator. The first thing you see is the current GPA field. It is automatically displayed with your current GPA. Then comes the credits remaining field. Enter the number of credits you still need to earn here. Then comes the credits required field. Enter the number of credits required for your specific major. And finally, there's the desired GPA field. Enter your desired final GPA here. You can put any number all the way up to 4.0. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Calculate to see the results. Once the results is displayed, click the Recalculate button to start over. Now let's go over the term calculator. Use the calculator to estimate what your GPA will be at the end of the term. Your current GPA and credits earned so far are automatically displayed. The grades you enter are your estimations only. The final grade for each course will be recorded by your instructor. Under the grades column, click the drop-down arrow to select the grade you would like for the selected course. You can also click on the Add Course button to add any of the classes you might want to take. Once you've selected the courses and also added the grades that you'd like to estimate, click on the Calculate button to see the results. Once the result is displayed, click the Recalculate button to start over. Now let's go over the Advice Calculator. Use the Advice Calculator to estimate how many more credits and what average GPA you need in order to achieve your desired GPA given credits earned. Your current GPA and credits earned should be populated for you. If your credit earned is not displayed, go ahead and enter it. In the desired GPA field, enter your desired final GPA up to 4.0. Click on the Calculate button to see the results. Once the result is displayed, click the Recalculate button to start over. For more information about DegreeWorks, visit our website.